Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talking about Pokhara, the second largest city of Nepal and the most favorite touristic destination in Nepal. I hope you will love this video. This video will be more interesting video for them who is looking for trekking, hiking and to do many adventure things in Pokhara with its natural beauty. In this video you will see many breathtaking scenario and most popular place of Pokhara, where you must go one time in life. Let's start the video. Before I start the video, I request to you to subscribe our channel, to Explore Nepal, to get more such as videos soon in your phone. And never forget to write in comment from where are you watching us. Pokhara is a city located in western Nepal, and it has a rich history dating back to the ancient times. During the 8th centuries, Pokhara was a popular trading center and hub for trans-Himalayan trade routes. In the medieval period, Pokhara was ruled by the Kingdom of Kaski, which was one of the most powerful kingdoms in Nepal. In the late 18th centuries, the kingdom was conquered by the Gorkha kingdoms, which later becomes modern-day Nepal. In the 20th century, Pokhara gained significance as a touristic destination, attracting adventurers and trekkers from around the world. It becomes an important starting point for expedition to Annapurna and other peaks in Himalayas. Today, Pokhara is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Nepal, known for its stunning natural beauty, cultural heritage, and adventurous sports opportunities. Pokhara is referred to as the gateway to Himalayas. The city is surrounded by breathtaking mountain ranges, pristine lakes, and lush green forest. It is a popular tourist destination and it's famous for its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant atmosphere. One of the most remarkable features of Pokhara is its breathtaking natural beauty. The city is surrounded by some of the tallest peaks in the world. Including Mount Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, and Manaslu. The mountains are visible from almost everywhere in the city, making it an ideal place for trekking and adventure activities. The clear blue sky and serene mountains scenery are a true delight for visitors and local alike. Another key feature of Pokhara is its rich cultural heritage. The city is home to a number of historic temples, including the famous Vindhyavasini temple, which is dedicated to the Hindu goddess Durga. The temple is a popular destination for Hindu pilgrims and tourists alike, and it's a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. In addition, its a religious landmark. Pokhara is also known for its vibrant festivals and celebrations, such as the annual Teej festivals, which is a celebration of the arrival of monsoon season. The city of Pokhara is also renowned for its vibrant atmosphere and its friendly people. Despite its popularity as a tourist destination, it has managed to maintain its local charm, and visitors will feel right at home in its cozy caves, local restaurants and street markets. The locals are always willing to chat and share their experiences, making it a great place to meet new people and learn about the culture of Nepal. One of the most unique and picturesque attractions in Pokhara is Peva Lake. The lake is a popular destination for boating, fishing, and picnicking, and its serene waters and stunning mountains views make it one of the most memorable experiences in the city. There are also several temples and monasteries located on the island in the lake, which are only accessible by boat. Visitors can take a leisurely boat ride around the lake, stopping at the temples to offer prayers or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Aside from its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, Pokhara is also known for its many adventure activities, from paragliding to bungee jumping. There is no shortage of excitement and thrills for those looking for more adventure experience. The city is also a popular starting point for trekking and mountaineering expeditions, and many trekkers use it as a base for exploring the nearby Annapurna region. Pokhara is a city that has it all: stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, vibrant atmosphere, and adventure activities. Whether you are looking for a peaceful retreat in the mountains or an action-packed adventure, Pokhara has something to offer everyone. It is a true gem in the heart of Nepal and a must-visit destination for any traveler. Thank you so much for watching us. I hope you love this video, you'll like it. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel, The Explore Nepal, to get more such as videos soon in your mobile.